Today I have a service call on AC, air conditioning, not cooling. So I'm here to look at it and see what's going on. So coming down here, first the fan is working. I don't see my line cooling, not cooling enough. So I'm gonna just try to pull up my filter. Yeah, my filter is a little bit stiff. I'm gonna put it back for now. So just making my inspection. So I'm gonna go to the condensing unit and check what's going on. Okay, so here's my condensing unit. Here you can see my fan is going on. My condenser fan is going on, but I don't think my compressor. I can't hear my compressor, but I'm going to open it up and check to see what's going on. Okay, so open up the electrical compartment and see that my compressor did energize. See, my compressor did energize. So it means my compressor is running and it's not cooling. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hook up my gauges to check to see what is the pressure on the system, if my compressor is pumping or if there's any other problem. So please just wait and you see what's going on. Okay, so I hook up my high side and my low side, and here's my gauge. My gauge is saying 116 on the low side and 116.5 on the high side, so it means the pressure is equalized, and that tells me that the compressor is not coming on, even though there is a call for cooling, because you can see my contactor here energized, so there's a call for cooling. My compressor can start, the pressure is equalized. So the next thing I'm going to have to do is to check my capacitor to see that my capacitor is not able to energize my compressor. So I'm going to have to use my microamps reading to read it, and if it's not up to the stated microfarad, then I have to change this capacitor. So please hang on and we'll see the result. Thank you. So at this point in time, I'm going to have to turn off the unit, because if I'm going to have to disconnect this and read it, so it means the system, I have to turn it off now, and then I will have to use my mirror to get my microamps reading. Thank you. Okay, so I set my voltmeter, set it to my microamps reading to read my capacitor. So I want to know what is my reading. As you can see, my reading was very poor. I couldn't get a good reading. I couldn't get a good reading. Good reading. So I have to get a new one. So here is my capacitor specification. It said that 5/35 UF. So if you to replace this capacitor, so go with this specification 5/35 UF capacitors. So here I have a new capacitor. This is 35 plus 5 UF. So same specification, but this, you can see this is new. It's a new capacitor. Okay, this is a new capacitor with 3 pin, so which is fan, hermetic, and common. So I'm going to have to replace it with this, and then first I'm going to do my reading, and after that I'm going to replace it with it, and let's see what's going on. Okay, so see the reading of my new capacitor, 35.62. 35.62. That's the reading of my new capacitor. And if I go the other five, let's see what I'm gonna get. Oh, so I got 5.03. 5.03. So you can see this is a brand new capacitor. So I'll put it in and we'll see if the compressor is going to come on. Thank you. Okay, so I replaced my capacitor and then I turn on the system. My compressor did not come on. So I just want to give it one more time. So I'm going to lose all of this and see if there's any broken wire to the compressor. We're getting there, so please hang on and don't go away. Thank you. Okay, so see how I finally open up inside of the compressor, and when I took off this cover here and I put my hand on this compressor, what I noticed is that the compressor is very hot, very hot. So it means the compressor may have tripped off on an internal overload. So what I'm going to do here now is to just get water in to cool the compressor down, and then after the compressor is cooled down, maybe the internal overload might re-energize, then I can turn it back on. Which I'm just trying to save the life of this compressor. Hopefully this unit come on and it gets going. So keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so while cooling down my compressor with water, at the same time I just want to, because I'm putting water on the compressor, so why not just clean the coil at the same time. So I have a powered machine that I use in cleaning condenser coil. I could take it up to the roof, and here is one. This is 4 gallon, 16 liters. Okay, this is battery powered, so it's it has a pressure of over 100 psi, which is good enough not to damage my fins, and at the same time is good enough to clean my condenser coil. So I really love it. So it's a little bit handy for me, so I could take it up to the roof, to anywhere, to do some washing where I needed really cleaning, where the condenser coil is really dirty or evaporator coil is dirty. So however, I have already mixed it up with my chemical, so this is going to be enough for me to do the cleaning. So I'm going to just turn it on so you can see. So it's good enough for my machine, and I use it. It's really working well for me. So, and at the same time, while doing that, I'm going to cool my compressor. So, okay, so thanks, and I will keep you going. Okay, so I've been able to do a lot of cleaning and couple back the unit, so I'm just gonna start it. We'll see what's going on here. So okay, so put it on. You can see my fan comes on, but yet my compressor did not come on. My compressor did not come on. You can see my pressure here is still balanced, so that tells you my compressor didn't kick in. So I want to say this is a very great experience as a technician, and also to all others who might be watching it, both other technicians. We really do a very diagnostics from start to the end. I would say it's a fun doing it. It's really fun to really come to this point, to see that we do full diagnostics, but could not get the result. So I think my recommendation now is to ask the owner, okay, so never mind the bubbling coming up, it's just the chemical, so it will help to clean the condenser coil better. But anyway, really diagnostics is what we did. So I'm going to have to let the client know that the next step is to replace the unit. But you may ask, why do you put in this so much time doing this? But I would say this first, it's good to really, I'm doing it for just the fun, to be able to put it up to the to my viewers, and also to be able to convince my client that yes, I do all the troubleshooting and all the diagnostics. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn it off. So I do all the diagnostics, though the result was not achieved, and I think the client may not have seen what I have done, but I'm just going to pass it to the client that, oh, you know what, your compressor, your condenser AC, your AC is really bad and it needs replacing. So I will want to thank you all for watching to the end, and if you follow the step procedures, I guess you will be able to save air conditioning that is broken down. So please subscribe. We're really doing, we're into HVAC, heating, cooling, and refrigeration. So for all your air conditioning and refrigeration needs, please call us. Thank you. Please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical Systems channel so you can see more of all we do. So thanks for watching. Thank you.